Do you want to chat with Meta AI on Messenger? You can ask anything to Meta AI in Messenger with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To chat with Meta AI on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're on Messenger, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now, type Meta AI in the search bar. From the search results, tap on the Meta AI chat to open it. You can also directly tap on the Meta AI icon at the bottom right of the chat list screen if available. Once the chat opens, you can type your question or message in the text box at the bottom. You can ask anything, like general questions, facts, suggestions, writing help, study help, or even a fun conversation. Once ready, tap the send button to get a reply from Meta AI. Meta AI will respond to your question quickly. It provides short and informative answers. If you are not satisfied with the answer, you can re-ask by describing exactly what you expect.